Hi folks, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. Today we're going to go over a 2018 Jayco Jay Feather 16 XRB. We're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off by going over the exterior. Follow me inside. So this trailer is a great layout. We've got the two beds on each end. And if you don't need to, you don't have to open up that back bed. This dinette here will also break down into a second sleeping area or a third sleeping area. And then you've got the couch here as well. Lots and lots of storage here. And I don't know if you've noticed, but Jayco's went to using some lighter wood interiors, which is just kind of nice here in the Pacific Northwest where we get a lot of gray days, just like today, even though it's almost June. So here we go. We've got a nice fridge freezer combination here. Up above it, we've got an AC. A little more storage there. They're using every nook and cranny they can. We've got our 2-burner stove. Nice cabinets with storage down below. Sink with hot and cold running water here. And here is our bathroom with our corner shower, our sink, medicine cabinet, and our toilet over there. And then our back bed here. Now again, like I was mentioning, if you didn't need this bed, you could leave it closed up. You don't have to open it. Real quick, we'll just touch on the weight because this is a great lightweight trailer, great for SUVs and small trucks. It's 3,000 pounds dry and it's 3,900 fully loaded. So it is a very, very light trailer. Let's work around this way. So we've got the electric awning here on the outside speakers, the hood for the stove there. We've got some cable and some 110. Placed to mount a TV here. This storage here, I don't have a key for it, guys, but this is going to run under that bench. Here we've got a cool connection for portable solar panels. They seem to be getting really popular, a lot less expensive than mounting them to your roof, and you're not putting holes in your roof, so I really like the portables. You also do have an electric tongue jack with this trailer. You can see the beds just popped out here. There's no supports that go down below like you see in a lot of tent trailers. This one just lays out and this platform supports the bed itself. Good system. This is where your potable water is going to get filled. And this is where your city water would be filled, or would connect to. Your low point drains are down below here. You've got stabilizers on all 4 corners. There's your low point drains. And here we got our 30 amp power connection here. This is your black tank flush. So this is how you clean out the black tank. You just tie a hose in or connect a hose in here, turn it on. It's got sprayers in there and it's going to wash out any remaining deficit. This is the back of the fridge here. Back of your AC. Your furnace exhaust for the LP. So this does get hot. And this is your water heater here. Your main cable and satellite input right here. I already mentioned hot and cold shower and your black tank flush. As we come around back, you can see we've got a full-size bumper with a full-size spare tire. LED lights throughout. And again, none of that hardware hanging down below here that you have to mess around with. So thanks for taking the time to check out our website, specifically this trailer. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. I can be reached directly at 541-228-6057 if you have any questions or concerns. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day.